Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is just a vlog. It's just a boring vlog of us putting down our flooring. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And for my oldies but goodies, don't forget to hit that like button. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Like a warning, could have slept here for days. I don't even know where the time went. But it's 2 and I need to pull myself together. I'm gonna try to open up my blinds. Need some sunlight coming in. Some sunlight. I need sunlight. I did 2 loads of laundry so far. That's about as far as I've done. Still haven't made my bed. And I've checked on the kids, ever so often, but when I tell you I have no energy, I have no energy. I'm just like, I am drained. This whole being in the house thing, I'm kind of like used to it, but I'm the type of person that's like, if I want to get up and go somewhere, I just get up and go. And just the thought of not being able to get up and go somewhere, it's just that part that bugs me a little bit. So I figured it's 2:15. I'm gonna be here in the next 45 minutes. Still haven't done dinner or started dinner. The downstairs is semi-clean. It's about 75% clean. My room is a hot mess. I need to clean it. So we're gonna turn this day around. We're gonna turn the day around. And I'm gonna clean my room before hubby gets here and then go do dinner. That way he doesn't come home to just what my brain feels like, So let's do that. I need to find pants. Look. Let's clean, okay? I'm cleaning my whole room.
You have the energy to do that? Yeah.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so I barely wanted to do that.
took all the life out of me. I'm telling y'all. It's no joke. The struggle sometimes is real. Alright. Now, the husband wanted laundry done today. So, I'm going to force myself. I already did 2 loads. So, I'm going to force myself to finish up. I think I have 2 more loads to go. So, I'm going to force myself to finish that up. And then go get started on dinner. I have 3 loads sitting here at the top of my stairs that I have to get put away. I think I'm gonna record the kids and have them help me sort on stuff, and then empty out the trash, sweep the floor, vacuum, and then we should be done. Hang in there, guys. This is gonna be over soon. Sooner than we think it's gonna be over. I'm a natural introvert, don't get me wrong. But when stuff like this happen, it just, I don't know, it does something to my brain that I can't explain. It's just, I shut people out. I shut everything down and shut people out, you know. Don't want to do that. It's always important to recognize when you're shutting down. Alright, let's get this laundry going. Guys, get everybody. Okay, so laundry's put away. I have 2 more loads going, but I'm gonna go start on dinner. It's 2:55. Rob should be here any minute. Sorry, Rob should be here any minute now. And hey, boo. Want to be at least somewhat. What's for supper? Chili. I want to be what's somewhat productive, or seem like I've been productive before he gets here. Boys! Jason, Jordan! I need my kitchen. So I'm going to tidy up the kitchen before I start cooking, and then start on dinner. I'm standing outside the window. 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 I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting. finished with chores. Husband's home. Dinner's almost done. I made chili with white rice. Rob is down there working on the finishing up the flooring, and yeah, our evening is like practically almost finished, except I still have to clean up my little mess. Where is it? Right there. I got a little mess over there that I have to go clean up. And dinner's like almost done. And it's 3:47. Okay, so I made chili. And then I made rice. Oh, that's hot. Then I gotta clean up this little mess right here. Okay, so we're finishing up the flooring. This is the transition piece that's going down. So we're nailing down or screwing down the track and that little piece that I showed you guys this morning. Rob went ahead and chiseled it out so that the floor would be, you know, even. And then this is the transition piece. This is the transition piece to go over it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and then we gotta finish my group. This part, but this piece right here is just like so perfect. And then there's gonna be trim board all right here, so that's gonna be taken care of. But I love how the floors complement each other. Just kind of like roll all over in there.
Mother, what do I do with this? I'm a pencil. What do I do with this hair? What do I do with this?
So we finished off this section right here. And it looks nice. Now we just gotta do that, take it into the bathroom and around the corner. It should be done. Rob wanna finish off this little section right here. And
I'm a pencil.
get this
What do I do
part
with this?
finished up. Okay guys, so Rob finished up this little part right here, and we transitioned it into the bathroom. Of course, we gotta work on the bathroom this weekend, and then yeah, we took the baseboards off here so that there was no cut here. One board fit under it, so that was good. That was a pain to get in. And then this is the closet that we took out, and I have to put something. I have a whole design for this space. And then of course I couldn't take this little wall out because there's a pipe right in the middle right here. So, so we have to patch this back up. So we are right here at near the end. This would have been a whole full plank, but we have to cut about this much off so it fits into the space. And then we are done. Rob got to put back on the baseboards in these areas, and then we got to do quarter rounds, and then we have to work on my trim. But I think he's gonna work on the trim this weekend. I don't think he's gonna do it on a work day, but at least my flooring will be almost 100% complete, because we still have to get another transition piece because this was too short. This is the longest that they sell at the store, so I have to go back and buy another one and then finish running it out to there. But we are about 99% complete with this floor. And I'm like, look at the mess. Look at the mess. Got it? Of course I have to put it in. Give me the honors to see if it fits. And let's see. Does it fit? Why'd you do a little thin piece and not a whole board? This the same design.
Because that was the starter.
Yeah, but it's the same design as the other board. It fits. It
Same
fits.
design. It's a starter.
It's the same. See where the seams? Just a little bit.
That's alright. It matches.
Rob's not doing any more of that. So that fits. So he just not need to finish out that part.